2026 bucket list slash New Year's resolutions. So, sige, simulan natin. So, for this whole January, ito yung mga gusto kong gawin na pwede nyo rin gawin, or kung ayaw nyo naman, pwede nyo i-share sa iba kung gusto nila ng pareho sa akin. So, I guess yung mga non-negotiable ko is kailangan everyday makapaglakad. Kasi I think for me hindi naman ako malabas ng bahay. I mean, naka-work from home ako. So, syempre kailangan ko talaga ng kahit pa paano merong physical yung movement. So, ito. Since may way naman ako to may outlet ako to walk, yun nga lang medyo challenge kasi yung oras ng shift ko and yung break schedule ko medyo maaraw na, but I'll try to be consistent. Though this month naman, I think yung na-miss ko lang is yung first day, January 1, but yung 2, 3, 4, 5 and then today is ayun, nagawa naman. So ayun, siguro yung number 1. So tomorrow iba naman yung gusto kong i-share na gusto nyo rin i-follow, but yeah, if you have the means to para maglakad, diba? So why not go for it? Or maybe any physical movement na pwede nyong gawin, at least, diba? Especially kung work from home ka. And yeah, bukas iba naman. So I guess yun lang. Good luck, anyong, mama.